First of all, devein your shrimps like the way I am doing. Pick out the sand vein and wash them after that. Marinate your shrimps with lemon juice, smoked paprika, onion powder, crushed red chilies, and garlic powder. Add some soya sauce and sprinkle some crushed black pepper. For dry batter, take some cornstarch, add in smoked paprika, and add some garlic powder in it and mix well. Add some oil in the pan and let it get hot. While mix the shrimps in the dry batter. Add shrimps one by one in the hot oil and shallow fry them for 4 to 5 minutes each side. When done, dish out and set them aside to rest. Fine chop your garlic and also find some fresh coriander, or you can chop some parsley instead of the coriander. Add 3 to 4 cubes of butter in the hot pan and add some olive oil. Oil prevents butter from burning. Add chopped garlic in the melted butter and stir fry it. Then add spring onions and the same spices as the marination. Saute the spices in garlic and scallion greens for 1 minute. My batter is dead here. I added some soya sauce and hot sauce in the pan. I will add the quantities in the description. Squeeze some lemon juice in the mixture. Add freshly chopped coriander and dried parsley in the mixture and saute it for half a minute. And the sauce is done now. Add the sauce on the sides of your shrimps and add on some chopped fresh green onions on the top of your shrimp.